Hello everyone. Standard 3 Maths Chapter number 7. Time goes on. Welcome to the second part of this chapter. How old we are? Here on page number 99, one picture is given. In this picture you can notice one girl, her mother and her grandmother is given. What is written here? My age today. Then my mother's age today. Then my mother's mother age today. So गर्ल की एज, उसकी मम्मी की एज और उसकी मम्मी की मम्मी मीन्स उसकी ग्रैंड मदर्स की एज यहाँ लिखनी है. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट विथ पेंसिल दैट राइट योर एज, योर मदर्स एज एंड योर ग्रैंड मदर्स एज. देन my mother's age when I was born. When I was born, that time what was my mother's age? What was your mother's age? Ask your mother and write here her age. Next, my mother's age when I was born. Same thing, when you were born, that time what was the age of your grandmother? That you write here. Ask your parent and write the age. And at last, my mother's age when my mother was born. Now, not your, when your mother were born, that time what was the age of your grandmother? That you have to write here. So ask your parents, discuss with your parents and write the ages. Now downside, one puzzle is given. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. Twice means 2 times. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. यानी कि उसकी मम्मी की एज उससे twice 2 गुना ज़्यादा है, 2 times more. She is also 20 years older than him. 20 years older than him. यानी कि इरफान की एज से 20 years उसकी एज ज़्यादा है. Guess the ages of Irfan and his mother. So let's guess here. We'll guess here if Irfan's age is equal to X. Okay? Maybe his age is X. Irfan's mother's age is twice as old him. Twice means 2 times. यानी कि 2x. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. Twice 2 times x. X Irfan's age and twice means 2 times more. 2 गुना ज़्यादा है उसकी एज उसकी मम्मी की. And here they are written she is also 20 years older than him. 20 years older. So we can write here x plus 20. इरफान की जो एज होगी उससे 20 years older means 20 years more. So let's write here, let's find out the Irfan's age first. X plus 20 is equal to 2x. X plus 20 is equal to 2x. Why we wrote here? Because x Irfan's age plus 20 years more, his mother's age is equal to twice 2 times her mother's age. Let's find out. Okay, now here this x and this x we will take together. So we have to take this x this side. But ऐसे तो हम नहीं ले सकते. So what we have to do? This 20 will remain here. 2x also will remain here. But x को यहाँ से यहाँ ले जाने के लिए कुछ रूल्स है मैथ्स के अंदर. क्या है? ये उसकी साइन चेंज होगी. इट इज इन प्लस साइन. इट इज प्लस साइन. इफ वी विल टेक x फ्रॉम हियर टू दिस साइड, इट विल बी माइनस. x इस साइड से इस साइड जाएगा, सो माइनस होगा. सो 2x माइनस x. 2x में से एक x माइनस करो, सो 1x. सो 20 इज इक्वल टू x मीन्स Irfan's age. We wrote here Irfan's age is equal to x. So we find out Irfan's age is 20 years. So we can say Irfan's age is 20 years. And what is his mother's age? 2 times x, twice. So this is the Irfan's age and his mother's age. 2x means 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40 years. So Irfan's age is 20 years and his mother's age is 40 years. Once again, let's do the same thing. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. 2 गुना ज़्यादा है इरफान की मम्मी की एज इरफान से. She is also 20 years older than him. Both the sentence are same. दोनों सेंटेंस का मीनिंग सेम है. इरफान की जो एज होगी उससे 20 इयर्स ज़्यादा है उसकी मम्मी की एज एंड 2 times more. Multiplication 2x 2 times more, 2 times more and twice x. Okay, 2x. So that is why we wrote here is equal to and we find out the x value. And we got the x value is 20. So this is the Irfan's age and 2 years more. So this is his mother's age 40 years. Page number 100. Birth certificate. Look at the birth certificate of Binsi. आपका भी बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट होगा. Ask your parents that show you your birth certificate. So what is written here? Form number 5. Government of Kerala birth certificate. This is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth which is in the register for the year 2002 of Kottalam पंचायत. कोटलम पंचायत में उसका बॉर्न हुआ है और ये बिंसी का बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट है. Now in birth certificate which things are given? Let's find out name. So Binsi Thomas Jacob, name is written here. Sex means कौन से जेंडर का है, मेल या फीमेल. Then date of birth 2/5/2002, 2nd May 2002. Place of birth, name of father, name of mother, date of registration, कौन सी डेट पे रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है, that is given here in birth certificate, and registration number. Now downside some questions are given. So let's see. 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2nd in the year 2002. So Binsi was born on 2nd May. So write here 2nd May in the year 2002. How old will Binsi be on 2nd May 2008? She born in 2002. In 2008, how old will she? उसकी एज 2008 में क्या होगी? So to find out the age, what we will do? We will subtract her age. How to find out? Here they ask 2008 and she born in 2002. So we will subtract here 8 minus 2, 6, 0, 0 and 2. 0. So she is 6 years old in 2008. If you want to find out your age, so today's year 2020. This is the 2020 year, and which is your born year? Maybe 2010. Your born year 2010, 2011 or 2009. Then you have to subtract from today's year. So 2020, this is the present year. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 and 0. So your age is 10 years. So like this you can find out your age. Now here, how old will Binsi be on 2nd May 2008? 2nd May 2008, she will be of 6 years. Then How old will she be in the year 2052? In 2052 वो कितने years की होगी? So again what we will do? 2052 minus 2002. Let's do here 2052 minus which is her born year 2002. So 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 0 5, 0 and 0. So what is the answer? 50. So in the year 2052 she will be 50 years old. On what date will she be 8-year-old? Write in numbers. बिंसी 8 years की कब होगी? बिंसी 8 years की कब होगी? Her born year is 2002. 2008 में वो 6 years की थी. So in 2009 and 10, 6 plus 2. So here we can write in second में 2010 she will be 8 years old. Here you can write second में 2010 she will be of 8 years. Now next, find number. How many months old was Binsi on 2nd August 2002? 2nd August, same year, but month is changed. See here, her born year is 2002 only, but 2nd August, her born month is May. In May she born and we have to find out the age in August. 2nd August को उसकी एज कितनी होगी? So May से काउंट करो. May से June, July and August. June, July and August, only 3 months old. So here you can write 3 months. 6th number, how many years old is Binsi now? Present year. How many years old is Binsi now? Which is the present year? 2020. So to find out her age, what we will do? Present year is 2020 minus what is her born year? 2002. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we will borrow from 2. Otherwise 20 minus 2, 18. 20 minus 2, 18 also we can write here. So let's write here 1 and here 10. So 10 minus 2, 8, 1, 0 and 0. So in present year she is 18 years old. 18 years old. 7 number. After how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? Once again, after how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? Let's see her birth certificate. Issue date is 5/8/2002. 5/8/2002. Year same, but month is 8 and date is 5. Okay. Her birth date is 2/5/2002. यानी कि इन May month 2nd डेट उसकी बर्थ के बाद कितना टाइम लगा, कितने मंथ्स में? सो ईयर चेंज नहीं होगा लेकिन मंथ चेंज होगा. 5 से 8 3 मंथ्स एंड डे कितने? 2 से 5 3 डेज. सो 3 डेज एंड 3 मंथ्स. 3 months and 3 days. Once again, in May month she born and issue कौन से मंथ में हुआ? अगस्त मंथ में. सो मई से अगस्त 3 months और डेट 2nd को वो बॉर्न हुई थी, इश्यू हुआ 5th को. 2nd डेट को वो बॉर्न हुई थी, इश्यू हुआ 5th को. सो 3 days more. सो हियर यू कैन राइट हियर 3 months and 3 days. 8 number. What is the registration number of her certificate? We have to write the registration number. Registration number is 815/02. So same thing you can write here. 815/02. Now find out when were you born, so you have to make your own birth certificate कि आपका born year कौन सा है, write your date of the birth in number. Do you have a birth certificate? Obviously you all have your birth certificate. Ask your parents and make one for yourself. One example is given here. You can write here also, otherwise write in the notebook also. Write your own birth certificate.